Hello and welcome. I'm your host, Cook of Soak. Today, we are once again traveling to Nirn for a lovely pescatarian dish from the Elder Scrolls Cookbook Volume 1, Argonian Swamp Shrimp Boil. In a large pot over medium heat, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Once boiling, add 2 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the shrimp start to turn pink. Once done, scoop out the shrimp and set aside. Once all the shrimp are out of the pot, return the water to a boil. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of soy sauce or coconut aminos and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix until the cornstarch has dissolved. Pour the cornstarch mix into the boiling water. While stirring, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Boil this mixture for about 5 minutes until it has reduced and become very thick, but still pourable. Once the mixture has thickened, reduce the heat to low and stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. Return the sauce to a gentle boil and add the shrimp back in. Cook for about 30 seconds until the shrimp are warmed through. Transfer the shrimp to a serving dish and douse in sauce, or serve the sauce on the side for a fancier take. Let's dig in. This dish looks and smells delicious. The sweetness of the molasses goes really well with the savory shrimp. The shrimp are soft and not rubbery or overcooked. The thyme gives this a nice herby flavor. I feel like this would be really good if it was served over steaming rice. That way, the sauce could be absorbed, and when you eat the rice, sauce, and shrimp together, it would satisfy your stomach. I will definitely be making this recipe again. But let me know what you did. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments below, as well as if there are any recipes you want me to try. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.